Hey guys, welcome back to the Essence of Mohana channel where I do tutorial videos on digital art, graphite joints, and paintings. And today I will be showing you how I prep my wood piece of art right here before I begin any sketch process and any painting process on this rather raw surface. So today I will be using a very sturdy flat brush and a very quality product by Eurotech Studio Series acrylic gesso. So let's get started. So as I said in my intro, guys, I have used this brand for a little while and it's actually very good quality. I think I pronounced it wrong at the beginning, so it's Utrecht. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, anyone just tell me in the comments, because I'm 100% sure that I'm pronouncing these people's product incorrectly. And if I could get it open, boy, all right, let's try this again. Okay. There we go. I guess I had some gesso around the edges that was stopping me from doing my job. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna even dip in this portion because I like to preserve, so I'm gonna use the cover first. So get like a good amount on it, and you could either do it this way. Is this vertical or horizontal? Yeah, vertical or horizontal. And guys, if I'm saying it wrong, just correct me. It's okay. I am going to start going this way first and just spread as much as I can across, you know, get it on there real good. Yeah, just like that. Yep. And this wood, I purchased it from Walmart a while back, and it's very smooth already on the top. But if you want your artwork to have a smoother, like if you want to have a smoother painting process, it's best to just put some gesso over it, you know, just to be safe. Okay, let's get that going right there. Yep. So guys, after you have finished gessoed your wood right here, you're gonna close it out. Close it up real tight, just like this. done. Then you are going to make sure you rinse this brush, because if you don't, this thing will be stiff as crackers, as an overbaked chocolate chip cookie, stiff as hell. Okay, so please rinse it out with warm water. And that will be all. After you have finished properly, look what I did. I tried to close, I closed the I closed the gesso over the wet surface, and all the fragments fell on there. Well, I'll fix that later on. But basically what I was gonna say before I interrupted my own self, once you finish coating, how many coats you want to put on there? I put about a few coats on there, probably about 4, because I wanted to cover the whole thing. Once it finished drying and everything, that's when you can start doing your sketches and your painting process, guys. So thank you again for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. And remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video. Leave a comment if you have something inspiring to say, or if you don't, it doesn't matter. Just interact and like this video if you want more of this content, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.